Current F-150 Lightnings aren't being recalled, but undelivered trucks are staying undelivered. For now. We awarded the Ford F-150 Lightning our 2023 Motor Trend Truck of the Year accolade, but even before that, the all-electric pickup was already a hot commodity. While it's revolutionary for the segment, let alone the industry overall, it started out, at least, as an impossibly affordable EV. It's not flawless. Any all-new vehicle is going to have teething problems. Thing is, the Lightning seems to have sprouted quite the teething issue. Its high-voltage battery, HVB, pack. Earlier this month, Ford called for any undelivered Lightnings to be held until the fix is found, but now the issue has spread to involve at least 100 pickups. The first report comes from Motor Authority, which confirmed with Ford that new F-150 Lightnings are being held in transit under a stop ship order, and a stop build order is in effect at the Lightning's plant. The issue appears to stem from its battery, but Ford hasn't yet disclosed what that issue is to Motor Trend when we reached out. A second report from the Detroit Free Press confirmed with Ford that the issue has been reported on at least 100 Lightning pickups so far, according to the data Ford has access to via each vehicle's OTA connection. It could potentially involve even more Lightnings, which Ford is still working out. Those with the issue will be alerted and replacement parts will be covered by Ford. The news is also hot off the heels of Ford's announcement of a brand new battery plant being built in Michigan that will supply it with lithium iron phosphate, LFP, chemistry batteries. Not only would these batteries be used to supply cheaper trims of the F-150 Lightning, but would also speed up production time since the batteries would be made in the US. This is a much-needed relief for potential F-150 Lightning owners, as the entry price has rocketed since the truck debuted, with 3 price hikes this year alone boosting the least expensive Lightning's price by $16,100 over its original $41,769 MSRP. It would also help with potential requirements of the EV tax credit as part of the Biden administration's Inflation Reduction Act. At some point, the IRS will set a percentage requirement for battery production in order for EVs to qualify for those tax credits. While Ford didn't state a cause and has stated that the issues with the high-voltage battery won't cause a recall or stop sale of currently delivered Lightnings, posts by owners in various Lightning and F-150 forums hint at what those issues might be. One owner posted an email from Ford that authorized their dealer to replace certain high-voltage battery modules from the owner's vehicle free of charge. The reason stated was that their 2022 build date Lightning was equipped with parts that are not performing as intended. Other owners have posted similar stories of Ford's concern team and battery team with emails slightly different but saying exactly the same thing. The email in question coincided with a delay in Lightning production reported by members that took place on February 6. Again, Ford has stated that the issue with the HBV in the undelivered trucks isn't affecting those already on dealer lots, as well as none that are sold and in the hands of owners, but it isn't sharing much more beyond that. We'll be in touch with Ford and continue to update as we learn more.